Hello, my name is Shiloh. Today is my last presentation, and here I have another problem. The another problem is that how can we use space? How can we protect space city using a drone? Now, currently, drone technology has improved a lot from the past, and now drones can be have different had different jobs in human human currently lives. For just entertainment or to take videos or maybe to export things or deliver things, but in the future we might look even currently we can use drones to protect the space city by putting a drone putting a weapon so it can kind of protect it. So so next page. So here are the 5 keywords that I choose. The first is a drone, of course, because this week's topic is overall drones, and also my problem has including drones, and also another one is space cities. And my goal today is to protect space cities from asteroids by drones. So it has to be there, and also asteroids, yeah, because it's most one of the most problems along with radiation, space radiation when building space cities, and so it can be used drones to protect it. Another one is the parts, since this is connected to the weapons, since parts weapons can be added to the drone to make it more suitable for for defending things, or it can be made into mirror or put a mirror on it so it can be kind of used to reflect the radiation of the city you're gonna build. So here are some pictures of the future's drones with the weapons, like this one with the guns and also with the bombs. This is currently it seems very something out of the science fiction, or maybe it seems humorous, right? But literally in the future it can actually look like this and might save people's lives. Nobody knows. Any questions?
My question is, what are the weapons for? Are we going to use it to start a war or to protect the space?
It can be also used in the future, now currently, weapons, or in the past we think of them made to protect for people's safety,
Yes.
some America they allow guns to as their protection, but not only is that, it's also used for crimes and other things.
Yeah.
So they're illegal. So maybe they can maybe build illegal things, but for along the government they won't be using it.
Okay.
Wait a second. So your problem is how to protect the space cities.
Yes.
So from whom are you going to protect the space cities? From aliens? From people of the earth?
It can be different things, maybe literally Earth. Maybe there will be a conflict between them, maybe. But my goal is to from asteroids or other aliens, literally aliens, literally there will be it might be an alien, okay, and also some of other things that can that is problem to Mars, or Mars or other space cities I'm gonna build.
So are you going to use these weapons to protect space cities from asteroids?
Yes.
These guns?
Not this guns, but those bomb
Okay.
shooters, or maybe even nuclear bombs to put not literally destroy it, but this using the impact we can put the asteroids off the course so it will be in safe place.
Okay.
Wait, good.
So here's my visualizations with AI, a picture that I made using AI. So you can see here's a space city in Mars, and also there's asteroids falling to it. And there's this drone with not it might be using laser like this, but there's different weapons that can be added. It is using to stop the asteroids from hitting the Earth. It's but they don't really have to destroy it, but they can, as I said before, they can just put it off the course, or maybe soon maybe in Earth some of asteroids are hitting Earth every some in 10 years or something, and big kind of technology people use this rockets to hit the asteroid, but of course, yeah. Okay, next. So here's my video. Hello, my name is Ju. Here is my mission is to use drone to protect the space city from the asteroids. So first, I had to fly the drone near the asteroids so I can aim it. And this was very difficult at first because I had to because it is hard to look in different perspectives. But after I keep like moving an inch little bit by little, I kind of make it to the right angle so I can shoot. I can poke the asteroids with my laser. So as you can see, I'm doing it there. It was very hard because it had to be in complete right that I made it. So after that, I landed safely and right next to it. Bye. So as I explained in the video, this is me about using the drone to this like crumbled paper with something inside it, like metal inside it, and tie it to the ceiling.
So what's that piece of paper supposed to be?
It's supposed to represent asteroids, even though
Right,
it
okay,
it
yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
look like it. But yeah, I tried the best to look like something
Okay,
round
okay.
or something. Yeah, and also this you don't know what this straw meant, but this actually meant lasers.
Yes, yes, okay, okay.
Yeah, lasers to kind of maybe like melt it.
So isn't it kind of risky to use drones to protect from asteroids?
No, I don't think drones is any like dangerous or any like risky because like literally like even broken pieces of drones can be like melted and use a 3D printer to make those drones back. And like drones are not like non like human in it, so it is like much safe and it's like almost guaranteed like succeed like success since it like sometimes it might be like controlled by humans, but it's mostly like can be like divided like drive by AI. Like some people are using like drones as like taxis in like UAE and they're like thinking of a way to add like cars here like they're like going to like motorize and they can be like move automatically, right? And drones can also be the same way, so it will be less risky and like don't like take like humanity's time because in the future maybe like like even people will not even have enough time to even stop the asteroids from destroying their cities.
Well, I'm kind of curious about where you're going to place the command center of these drones. Are you going to place the command center within the city, or is it going to be from a different planet?
It
Because
can be like there are like different control centers, like from like one in the orbit to see like to check where it's coming, and like the main like control center in the city, so it can like send because it's like fastest way to protect it, and also like maybe on Earth literally like they can like look at the like microscopes and the kind of see where it's coming.
okay,
Okay. We can place it here in Ortigas, in Icon. You think so?
Maybe
Okay. Alright.
if you have like if you have enough money to build like 2,000 like $2 million like and up at the top in the ceiling maybe.
Okay.
thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.